The best way to target other businesses with your marketing?
Probably one platform that doesn't get enough credit for how great it is for B2B is LinkedIn.
You're just targeting it slightly differently, so your wording's a bit different.
The best way to target other businesses with your marketing is to first know the persona of the business owner. Business owners are just like anyone else. They use Google, they use Facebook. If you know that persona, know their age, know the demographic, you'll be able to tailor your marketing to hit them directly.
So put yourself in their shoes and think about how they would try and look for you. So if you wanted to be super targeted, you can still use Google Ads for business to business. Probably one platform that doesn't get enough credit for how great it is for B2B is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn's a great platform because it puts you directly in front of businesses, business owners, instead of putting your ads in front of consumers as well.
It depends on the type of platform you're using. However, one of the main ways I can think is with Facebook is by using things such as demographics, locations, likes and behaviors. So you can target them on maybe, for example, their specific role in a company.
There's many different ways to target other businesses with digital marketing. EDMs, industry blogs and sites, LinkedIn, newsletters, the list goes on. It's very much the same as targeting a private consumer. You're just targeting it slightly differently, so your wording's a bit different.